In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Vinted to bank account. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, open up the Vinted app on your device. And once you've done that and you've logged into your account, all you need to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner, press onto your profile icon, and from here you're going to see your balance. So if you actually press onto balance, if you do have any money available, once that's cleared through, you're going to be able to withdraw to bank account by pressing the blue button underneath your balance. Sometimes it might be a case that this button might be greyed out even though you have an available balance, in which case the balance might be pending, so you might need to wait for the money to clear through until you're able to withdraw to bank account. But that is how to withdraw and transfer money from Vinted to bank account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.